Heavenly reward. Understanding its meaning and use in English. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, heavenly reward. This phrase carries both literal and figurative meanings, which we'll dive into. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what it means but also how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started, and remember, context is key in understanding and using English phrases effectively. Heavenly reward literally refers to a reward or blessing that comes from a divine or spiritual realm, often associated with the afterlife in various religious contexts. It implies that a person will receive some form of spiritual compensation for their good deeds or faithfulness during their earthly life. This concept is common in many religions and spiritual beliefs. In everyday English, heavenly reward is often used figuratively. It can describe a feeling of immense satisfaction or joy, similar to what one might imagine as a divine reward. For instance, if someone says, "The view from the mountaintop was my heavenly reward after the long hike," they mean the view was so spectacular that it felt like a grand reward for their efforts. It's all about the emotional payoff. Understanding the cultural and religious context is crucial when using phrases like heavenly reward. While it's often used casually, it's important to be mindful of the audience and setting. In some contexts, especially religious or spiritual ones, the phrase might be taken more literally and seriously. 1. Casual conversation. Finally finding my lost ring was like a heavenly reward for all the searching. 2. Literary use. The protagonist saw the peaceful sunset as his heavenly reward after a life of turmoil. 3. In a religious context, the clergyman spoke of a heavenly reward awaiting the virtuous. Heavenly reward is a versatile phrase in English, used both literally and figuratively. Remember, its use depends heavily on the context and audience. It's a beautiful expression that conveys a sense of ultimate satisfaction or joy, akin to a divine blessing. Hope this explanation helps you understand and use heavenly reward confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.